Jason here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil changes, rig ready Rams. And now we buy your Rams, guys. We got a nice 2018 Classic here. It's got some nice chrome wheels on it, some decent tires on there as well, metallic black paint on it as well for you guys. So it's got the 5.7 liter HEMI there, so you got lots of trailer tow package, lots of power to get up and go on there. And this one's got the paint to match again, guys, so it's kind of nice. You don't see all that chrome and stuff on the front of the truck. So again, guys, you got the paint to match, you got the black badging on the truck. It's got some nice flex in the paint there, the sport hood on this truck as well for you. We'll pop up in the hood here, guys. So it's got the 5.7 liter, so lots of power. If you got a trailer you're going to get out there this summer and tow with, you can do that as well. The HEMI, as far as that goes, crumple zone, dual airbags on the truck. You've got your sensors built into the front of this as well. Crumple zones also on the truck. So we'll close that. And the hoods on these trucks are aluminum, so over the long period of time you're not going to get any rusting or anything like that. Really nice headlights on them, so you can look at the halogen headlights on there with the Lexon on the front here, so very durable as far as that goes. And again, guys, if you look at it, nice clean truck. So on the Ram trucks there, they have the crumple zones built into the side. So if you have a side impact here, they got side impact beams built into the truck here as well. So that'll help reduce any kind of crash stuff there. If you look inside, guys, it's got the leather and the cloth seating on the truck as well. So a nice combination there. So not a super high-end truck. It's got the nice console in there. Again, a full crew cab truck here briefly, guys, so you got lots of space to get in and out of that truck for the kids if you need be. And if you look at the back, come to the back of the truck, guys, here it's got the trailer tow package here. It's got the dual exhaust, chrome tipped exhaust on here, 4-pin and your 7-pin wiring on it, the Ram badging, your backup camera, spray and box liner right from factory. So lots of get up and go, lots of options here, guys. So we'll get into the inside of the truck. So nice 18, guys, low kilometers on the truck as well. It has a sport package, so you're going to get the upgraded console in this truck. So it's got the 5-passenger seating. You can flip up the console here. We got lots of power points built in here. Very usable console, guys. Lots of space inside there as well. Another port here as far as charging system goes on it. It's got the trailer tow haul mode here as well. Your traction assist here. Climate control as far as this goes, navigation. And one thing really nice about the sport trucks here, because of the Alberta winters and climates and stuff in here, is that you have your auto mode. So you do have the auto, the 4-wheel low, the 4-wheel high, the 2-wheel. But the nice thing about the auto mode is that it takes the guesswork out of it. You can drive this truck, it'll automatically sense when it needs 4-wheel drive and when it doesn't, so it gets best fuel economy with that as well. So your hands free, cruise control. You can shift your gears up and down here as well with that, so some nice features there. Power driver seat in this truck, power windows locks, and the power mirrors in the front of this truck. So lots of little options here for you guys. So in the back, guys, and again, it is a full-size crew cab, so there's lots of space. I'm 5'7", I'll show you in a second here the spacing, but it's got the 60-40 split bench, as well as it has some built-in cup holders in the back here for you guys as well. So if you need the space, so depending what you're doing, if you got the dog or the cat or whatever you're doing, you could optionally flip this up, flip that up if you want, and then it has the cargo management and also some flat storing here. So if you got the dog or something in the back, you can flip both of these back here, so you get a nice flat area here as well for you to work under. And then if you flip both sides up here, you know, ample storage space under here. And the one thing really nice in these Ram trucks is they have some more cargo space on both sides of this truck. So if you need drink holders or your lunch, or you want to put some ice or something in there, very simple, guys. You can put your stuff in here. When you're done with it, you can toss your ice, make it nice and clean as far as that goes. And it does have one on the other side as well. So we'll flip these all back down here for you. And then in the back, you have some heat sensor stuff back here as well, so you can get heat and cool stuff in the back here. And you also have a power point in the back of this truck as well. And if you go to the back here, you get the power sliding, the tinted windows in this truck here, guys. So Redwater Dodge is located a short 35-minute drive north of the city. We're a family-owned store. We treat you like family, guys. If you want more information on this truck, simply give us a call at 780-942-3629.